I'm Elsa Duff, but most people know me as Evil E, the announcer for the Los Angeles Derby Dolls. I've been with the Los Angeles Derby Dolls for 21 years. I think for the time I've been here, I've pretty much been having a love affair with Los Angeles. I think while most people think that you should see Los Angeles on 4 wheels, I'd argue that you should see it on 8. I just love everything about Los Angeles. I love the opportunities that it provides. I love the diverse people that are part of it. I've rolled all over this town. I moved here after college from New Mexico, and getting to skate with the Derby Dolls, getting to announce games as an announcer for the Derby Dolls has been just such a complete honor. Being in roller derby is something I had wanted to do since I was a little girl. I have a picture of me laying in my bed asleep, and I have all these cat posters, and there's a picture of Farrah Fawcett in her roller derby uniform from the Charlie's Angels episode. It's something I immediately wanted to do. I had my skates, I was ready to go out to practice. There's something about it that drives you to roller derby, because when you are out here, we sweat together, we cry together, we bleed together. It is not an easy thing to do, but we love it. And when you have that community, it is just really incredible. And much like Los Angeles itself, it's diverse. You can't really put your finger on describing it all the time, but it is just such a reflection of this amazing city that we live in. We have a lot of ties to this neighborhood. We have bonded with the community and the people in it because we want to support each other. We did health fairs, we did workforce development, we did all kinds of neighborhood cleanup projects. We use local community members. We have our food trucks, our front businesses in the Vernon community, and we're supported by the Vernon Community Fund. The thing that really hit me was the people I met, and just meeting the most amazing people. And being part of the community as far as the roller rinks, the people in it, and all that stuff, it became like a family. The Junior Derby Dolls program was something we'd always wanted from the Derby Dolls, because we all knew if this sport existed when we were younger, we would learn so much. Because as girls, you're taught to fight against each other, to compete against each other. And you may say that would kind of fit with derby, but in derby you actually learn how to collaborate, how to talk to each other, how to use teamwork, how to recognize your weaknesses and your strengths, and how to make that into a team. Because the team, it is all these different parts. It doesn't matter what their size is, what their athletic ability, everyone has something to contribute. They start when they're 7 years old. I see them when they graduate when they're 17. And you really see how important the sport of roller derby transforms their lives. They are taught to work together and to always know that they are stronger and will keep getting stronger. And I don't know many places that do that. I love them so dearly. And just seeing that support amongst each other, there's nothing like it. L.A. had such a rich history with the T-Birds and the Thunderbirds, and there were so many strong women who participated in it. Some of them joined the Derby in the 50s when they were teenagers, and there was no opportunities for women to travel around with a sports team, but there was roller derby, and it has just been an honor to carry on this tradition. I'll never forget the first time I fell in practice. Most times when you fall, you kind of sit there for a moment, and all of a sudden, all I heard was, "Get up!" A chorus of "get up." And I immediately felt my body rise. And I got back on my skates and I kept going. It was so empowering.